yeah, I'm currently taking a big walk right now on my lunch break. I'm set to head to the waterfall. It's gonna be what you call a waterfall street hike. It's gonna be long, but it's gonna be great. Just like any long waterfall hike. In my attempt to go 3 straight for 20,000 plus steps on Fitbit. Wish you the best of luck. Passed by the high school. We're currently in the parking lot. Yeah, they got an early dismissal today. Not for me. I'm in the workforce. I'm not in school, unfortunately. But it'll be nice to get an early dismissal. All I gotta do is just force another blackout. Yeah, right. But nobody gonna know who that is, though. Anyways, getting back here. I'm not too far out from where I'm heading. So could be another 10-15 minutes as I'm heading all the way to my destination. Alright, let's do this. Alright. Not too far out. The ramp is just right there. Woo! That's a crosswalk right here. Ready to go up, man. That's where the hike begins. Alright. Woo! Right on the ramp, man. Right on the bridge. Yeah. My other friend would ask me a long time ago when I was about to process into that Vincent Thomas bridge. Are you excited? Yeah.
But hey, check it out. We're going to another bridge right now.
Bridge. Are you excited, Matt?
This is exciting.
Exciting?
I have to admit, I'm like so animated right now. But
Look at this bridge.
yes.
Look at this bridge.
Yeah, I know. It feels like I'm going to San Francisco, but
I'm not too far out from the waterfall, man. It'll be just right there as soon as I head down. It's gonna be really exciting. Can't wait for this moment. This will be great, man. Gorgeous view, darlings. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I still got your saturated on that shit. So let's do this. Holla at that motherfucker. Cut the fucking tape. Oh, that's the waterfall. But this is not it. However, I am getting a lot closer, so I'm wishing the best of luck on this one. Just right about here. As soon as I pass by that store, I'm gonna be right there. Alright. Oh yeah, right there. It's right there. Just inches away, man. It's right there.
Monday, y'all. Look at this shit. That's right. In front of the waterfall. Just right here. On a Monday. That's right. Feeling good. Woohoo! With a car like that, don't get done with a shit like that, motherfucker. Look at this shit. That's right. I feel like taking a shower right now, man. It's so sunny. May not be so hot just like last week, but feels so good to be right in front of this shit right here. Car like that, man, too. Man, I feel like jumping on the water right now, shit like that, motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Alright, about to head back pretty soon. Don't want to take too long, so I'm gonna enjoy the moment. And oh boy, it's for the rest. Feel like a great hide out here, man. Shoot. Pull to the molly, homie.
Whew. Man, right back on this ramp, heading back to my workplace, man. Oh boy. Yep, so I did come out of that waterfall area, which I'm about to see again in a little bit. I gotta tell you, so refreshing, felt great. But here's one thing I learned, and me and my friend Eugene didn't really catch this, but we went there the first time, and when I went there the first time in 2016, that sign right there, it says something like trespassing, loitering by law, and forbidden by law. That's what it said, and that basically meant nobody was supposed to go there. I'm serious, nobody was supposed to go there. That's why I see nobody on the waterfall. But I was like, man, are you serious, dude? Luckily I didn't get caught, man. But wow, here we are back on the ramp. See the waterfall a little bit. Great experience though, I gotta tell you. But I gotta do myself another waterfall hike for me to do that shit. So to enjoy the moment. So here we are again. Oh, see it right there. It's right up there. Oh yeah. Back on the bridge, man. Back on the bridge. Woo! Oh yeah. There it is, man. There it is. There it is. Yep. That is it right there. Waterfall, man. There it is. Give another look at it. On the left, there it is. I'll go a better look. So I just came out of. Woo! It's got 12,000 steps right now as I'm heading back to my workplace directly from my lunch break. Man, oh man, what a walk, what a hike. I'm sure I can just say not an actual hike, but you know what? Once again, I just felt so good to be out like this on a rare occasion. For me to do something like this on a Monday. What do you know? I could probably reach 20,000 by the end of the day, depending where my steps land at the end of my work shift. I'm currently at 12,000 once again, as I say. But I don't know, man. This is a pretty tough accomplishment to make. I mean, to go 3 straight days with 20,000 plus steps. Oh man, I've been wanting to do that for a long time. Ever since I had 2 straight weekends with back-to-back Saturday and Sundays with 20,000 plus. Oh boy, I feel like I'm gonna do it again today. But I'm gonna see how I feel tomorrow. You know, there are some extreme cardio warriors out there who do so much running and jogging for a living. I ain't one of those people. I'm just an ordinary guy, man. But I'll see how I feel. I'll still do some walking, but I don't think it's gonna get to this extreme. Just want to try it out, see how I feel. Anyway, I'm out here now, and I'll be heading back to work, getting closer as soon as I'm about to surpass this railroad track, the abandoned railroad track that is. All right, hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next video with a shit like that, motherfucker. Oh shit. Oh man, I just tripped on the oh, I don't know what the hell I tripped on, but fuck. All right, hold on, I need a little rest here. All right, enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and cut the fucking tape. All right, peace. Oh yeah, there it is. My third straight day with 20,000 plus steps. Finally, that's the first time I've ever done it after going for several back-to-back 20,000 plus steps on 2 consecutive days. I wasn't able to do it last weekend. Excuse me, on both weekends in March, those back-to-back weekends, where I had an opportunity until now. But I gotta tell you, what an accomplishment I've done, man. Having to do that long ass street hike to the waterfall, which I will never get to again. And after this one, it was amazing though. It was an amazing street hike going to and back. So couldn't complain. Much needed. Boy, I don't even know if I can do a long walk like this again tomorrow. I feel like I might just be aching my legs. I drank a lot of water to ensure that my legs and my feet don't feel so sore, as super sore as they were yesterday when I was at Knott's and going home as well from Knott's, walking home. But this one, I'm just proud of this accomplishment, and I gotta say, hopefully I can get to 4 straight, which I highly doubt, but we'll see. It's really hard to do, man, especially for a regular guy like me. I'm no extreme cardio warrior or a complete cardio freak and all that. You know what I mean? Yeah, I love to walk and all that stuff, but that doesn't mean I'm one of those people. But anyways, proud to have this accomplishment, and so hopefully I will get to 4 straight. If not, it's cool. At least I got the record. Again, this is really hard to do. So who knows what'll happen. All right, good night everyone. Cut the fucking tape.